Welcome to Unity's Program Rep training video. Firstly, congratulations on being elected as a program representative. It's an exciting and fulfilling role and a great opportunity for you to be the voice of change within your department.
So Unity is an early stage startup that aims to enhance the student experience by allowing you and your staff to actively represent and engage with the student voice. We have partnered with your university and student union to trial Unity as a pilot. Over the course of the next year, we'll be working closely with students, reps, and staff within these selected departments to help enhance the student experience through our software. If the pilot program is successful, it will then be rolled out to all departments across your university.
Unity was started by a rep who experienced a number of challenges when trying to organise, collect, and represent student issues.
So over the past year, our team went out to understand the challenges most UK universities face when it came to student rep systems, and have discovered one major obstacle: the lack of a designated space to represent the student voice. This makes it difficult for unions, reps, and staff to collect, organise, and act upon student feedback. Due to the lack of a designated space, it leads into a number of other issues, such as students not always knowing who their rep is.
Program reps find it challenging to collect and provide objective and representative student feedback in their SSLC meetings.
Staff being unable to effectively inform all students the status of their issues. As a result, you end up with a system that looks a bit like this. It's inefficient, disorganised, and costly for universities and unions when making decisions about enhancing the student experience.
So to overcome these challenges, we created Unity, which provides a designated space for the student voice, where students, staff, program reps, and unions can collaboratively raise and resolve issues.
We've built in features that are made to help support your role as a rep, by making collecting and presenting student feedback easy. So let's walk you through how Unity can be used. Let's begin with the Issues feed, which you can find on the left menu. The Issues feed is a private space between you and your course peers, allowing you to easily collect and manage any feedback or issues they raise. There are a number of features to the Issues feed that allow you to represent your peers more effectively.
The reps list will make sure all students on your course will know who their course rep is. The Post Anonymously button allows students to post anonymously if they wish not to have their name attached to any feedback or issues they raise.
Students can vote up or down and discuss issues together. As a rep, this will allow you to see how representative an issue is by the number of votes and comments a particular post has.
The priority list lets you save time filtering the most representative issues, allowing you to see the highest voted issues at a quick glance. Once the issue has enough votes and comments, as the program rep, you have the ability to take it to staff on the issues board.
You can do this in two ways, either from the Issues feed, or by going directly to the Issues board and creating an issue there.
Let's take a look at the issues board and how you can use that. The issues board is a public space for staff, reps, and unions to collaboratively resolve issues that have been raised by the reps. Staff can understand issues with voting scores and contextual information provided by reps. Reps, staff, and unions can actively communicate with each other around issues and provide further information if needed. Staff can assign issues to other staff and notify students on the progress of issues by using the raised, in progress, and resolved columns. When issues are resolved, students will be made aware and can use the issues board to find out what resolutions have been agreed on.
The SU and Rep Hub is where your union will be communicating with you and any other reps. Any updates or training material will be posted here. The Hub enables your union to contact you directly or provide updates via the feed. The Files tab and feed provide a space for you to access training and relevant documents whenever you may need to. The Hub helps you stay connected to your student union and up to date with any news. To show you how Unity delivers some of these benefits through its features, we're going to show you a quick user story.
So let's begin with Alice, our course rep for sociology. She jumped onto the issue feed, a private space for reps and students to raise and prioritise their concerns. Alice sees a high priority issue with a number of votes from her peers. She then decides to bring this onto the issues board, an area shared by staff, students, and reps to collaboratively resolve any issues raised. An email is sent to all staff in the department notifying them about the issue. Kent, a staff member within the department, logs onto his account and sees the issue raised by Alice. He knows that Karen, the department administrator, is better at handling this issue, so he assigns it to her and lets Alice and her peers know. Within seconds, Karen can inform all students that the issue is now in progress and can continue to have real-time discussions with her students. After a week, the issue is resolved and she can easily inform all students within a couple of clicks. Unity effectively closes the feedback loop and empowers the student voice by building a community of trust and transparency. Using our analytics feature, student unions and management staff can analyse data on how issues are raised and resolved university-wide. So here we can see how Union 2 can help close the feedback loop effectively. You can also see how vital the role of the program rep is in this whole process.
We also have a Union 2 iPhone and Android app, allowing your peers to raise issues on the go and for you to collect and organise them more effectively. Students can download the Android app now. The iPhone app will be available later this month. As this is a pilot program, we absolutely welcome any suggestions you have on making the platform better for you and your peers. Please feel free to drop us an email on support@unity.co.uk and let us know what features you would like to see on Unity, and we will happily build them for you.
Thanks for watching our program rep training video. We're really looking forward to working with you and your university over the coming year.